Welcome to Katrina's Creations. It finally arrived. It got lost in the mail. I was really worried that I wasn't going to have my yarn. I was watching the tracking and it was supposed to be here on Tuesday. Well, the tracking showed that it was delivered on Monday, which would have been totally impossible because here in the U.S., Monday was a federal holiday and the post office was closed. So I was getting a little worried. I waited for Tuesday, thought maybe it got, behind. It's coming on Tuesday. Didn't show up on Tuesday. We got about 6 or 7 inches of snow on Wednesday, so I thought, okay, maybe everything's kind of behind. So Wednesday night, it still hadn't arrived. The mail had come, but it still hadn't arrived. So I contacted Knit Crate. So Knit Crate got back to me Thursday morning and said, check with the post office, check with your neighbors, just in case it got delivered to the wrong place. And if you still can't find it, let us know and we will start the replacement process. So big thumbs up for Knit Crate as far as customer service. They got right back to me within a couple, like I said, I wrote on Wednesday night, Thursday morning. The dog is licking out of her bowl. It never fails. She doesn't do that except when I record. Anyway, let's get to the good stuff. It arrived. Thursday, I watched the mail carrier drive by, put things in my mailbox, and this was not there. And then she came back and delivered this. So I think, long story short, I think it was delivered to one of my neighbors, maybe down the street, who gave it to her, and she came back to give it to me. Not sure exactly what happened, but it's here, finally. So let's get in here and see what we've got this time. Like always, I'm going to let you all see it first. I am going to put my hand in so nothing goes falling out. And it's covered in tissue paper. Okay, now I'll take a peek. Oh, that's pretty. It is a teal color, but it's got some green. It looks blue on camera. It looks like a DK weight maybe. Yes, it's a DK weight. The color is called Malachite. It's very, very soft, and it has like I said, it looks blue here, but it has kind of a Kelly green here, and then kind of a pistachio green over in here. So it's different. Like I said, here's more green. It has some teal or turquoise in it. So it's tonal. There are 2 skeins of it. It is Audine wool. It is 50% alpaca, 30% merino wool, 20% nylon. It's a DK weight, and there is 236 yards in each skein. So I have gotten this base from them before. So this is definitely spring type of colors. Now let's see what patterns they give with it. Here are the 2 varieties of colors I could have gotten. One is the teal, which is what you see right here, and then the other was this purple. And it looks like it also came available in maybe a pink color as well. So here it is over here. So there was a pink, and then it looks like maybe a lighter shade of a grayish purple here that it could have come in. So you know me, I love me some turquoise and teal. So we are very happy with this. And let's see what patterns they have here. Oh, they have a pretty crochet pattern. It's called Scaling Scalene. Now, scalene is a type of a triangle. It says, reinterpret the shape for shawls and scarves with this month's membership patterns. So this is the knitted pattern. It's called Belita by Carrie Fitzgerald. And it's a scarf. And that's very pretty. But I like the one I see for the crochet. Let me get over here and show that to you. Here's the crocheted one. I really like that one. So I'm going to do it without the glare. And this is called Belle Askew by Jen Hayes Creations. So I really like this one. So, yeah, I am definitely that's the one I'm going to make, especially since it says skill level beginner. Yes, I can handle that. So it looks like it's a combination of bobble stitch. So that'll be a new one for me. Chain stitch, know how to do that. Double crochet, I know how to do that. And single crochet. So I think I could handle this. So, yeah, the only stitch I will have to learn will be the bobble stitch. So, I think I can handle that one. So that will be fun. Here is their sock pattern for this month. They are changing their boxes around a little bit. They are redoing, I think it's the Artisan sock crate. So I think if you were a member of the Artisan sock crate, it's getting transferred to a membership. Those of you who get it, you would have gotten an email, but I did see one the other day. So anyway, I do know that they were redoing some of their, some of the boxes, especially the sock boxes. It's the Artisan, I think it's the Artisan or the regular sock box. They were changing something around a little bit. So, like I said, if you get either of those boxes, you were sent an email with information about it. So, yeah. Oh, the sock pattern is done by Maeve Zana Designs. So, and then next month's sneak peek, their theme is Whisper. And here are the different things they are using to draw their color palette from. So there it is. And like I said, I think I'm going to make that crocheted little scarf shawl type of thing. I'm thinking it's more of a scarf. It's going to be small because it's only a total of 472 yards total. So it's not going to be a big shawl or anything. It's going to be more like a scarf. But it will feel nice and it's very soft. So yeah, looking forward to it. So that is it for the February Knit Crate. And don't forget to watch the video on Saturday so you can see what's going on the regular podcast. Thanks again for watching. If you've enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. See you Saturday.